Welcome to Zeo Route Planner. Let's see how to create a route and add stops one by one on our own in this video. Select plus button visible on the playground. Click on Create Route, and you will be transferred to a page to create new route. You have the option to change your route title. First, select the driver you want to assign route to. Access the search address option on the screen and add all the stops one by one. Search for all the desired stops in the search bar. Select the correct addresses. Now you have the following route details, which can be edited as per requirement: route start date and end date, route start time and end time. The stops can be navigated sequentially by choosing Navigate as Added option. Otherwise, you can choose Save and Optimize option, and Zeo will create the route. Thanks for watching.